Hey you guys! I'm back for another video. Hello, it's me, Caroline. Welcome to my channel if it's your first time. Welcome back if you're here already. But it's pretty nice and it's gonna be really like spring, actual spring weather. Not snow, not rain. Just nice spring with the flowers and the air and the... Yeah. Usually, when it gets hotter outside, you want to put on less makeup, nice glowy skin, natural, I guess, maybe, I don't know. That's what I'm gonna go for today. Extra glow, some subtle eyeshadow look, and maybe a pop of color on the lips or a nude, I don't know, we'll see. Yeah, before we get into this, subscribe to my channel. I post videos whenever I want because I am a student athlete. So my schedule is kind of all over the place. This isn't my job, it's just for fun, so that's why I don't post all the time. Like the video if you want. You don't gotta, but like it'd be cool. Just don't give it a thumbs down, like. Okay, let's do this makeup right now. Not makeup! Okay, so I put my hair up out of my face and I put on my moisturizer. If you watch my videos, you know I use this all the time because it's like $5 and it's a huge jar. And it does the job. Like, who needs a $60 cream? Because it's not me. And then I just put this on, but I didn't really like film it because it's like a sample. The Kevin Aquan highlighter. And I just kind of like put a little bit on my fingers and just like pat it on my face to give a glow from within before I even do any makeup. I'm gonna start on my eyebrows now. And I've been trying to go for a lighter brow situation. Not blocky and like dark brown, you know what I mean? My favorite is the Total Temptation pencil from Maybelline. It has a teardrop shape, just like the Anastasia brow definer. And I think it's really good. So yeah, I'm gonna speed through my eyebrows. As you can see, I did my eyebrows and I primed my eyes and set them with translucent powder. Yes, I am back on setting my eyelids again because I just cannot deal with running the risk of creasing. It's just not me. It's just not me. I'm gonna start with eyeshadow. Okay, I'm gonna bust out one of my oldies that I haven't used in a really long time because I just had so many others that I love, and I just put this to the side, but I'm gonna bring it back. It's the Morphe 35O. This palette is pretty good. I used to use it all the time because it was like my only one that I ever had. I think first I'm gonna go in with this yellowy orange transition shade. After that, I'm just gonna keep this look really simple today. I'm gonna go in with this warm tone brownie taupe and dust this on my inner corner and my my outer quarter. I'm going light-handed at first and then building it up. My new makeup technique is all about building. If you put too much product on your brush right from the beginning, there's no going back. Define the crease a little bit while you're at it, and then a little socket. To define the crease a little bit more, I'm gonna slightly go in with this. I'm gonna use the same brush as before because it's wide on this side, but then it's flat here. So you can shade, but you can also just... See? That just adds a little bit more definition than this eye. Oh my gosh, I forgot to tell everybody. In one of my videos, I don't remember what it was, but I was talking about how I'm playing tennis. I won my first match yesterday. It went down to a tiebreaker, and it was very intense. I'm really proud of myself for winning my second match ever. Also, I got my permit, as most tween teenagers do. Funny story, my first try driving, I drove into a ditch. The same day I got my permit, I didn't understand how to straighten out the wheel, but now I do, and that's all that matters, right? Now I'm gonna go in with the lid shade. Now that I've done all of the crease work, I wanna go in with a lid shade that's very natural but glossy. Mariah Leonard, I watch her on YouTube. She always talks about how like the natural oily lids of like little kids makes you look younger. I don't need to look younger, but I just like glossy eyeshadow. I think I'm gonna use one of the shimmers from this palette, either this one or this one. Okay, here they are. This one is more rosy. This one is kind of like just straight up like champagne silver. But yeah, that's the thing with Morphe palettes. If they run out of colors, they kind of just throw like seven of the same color in their palette, but it's fine. I think I'm going to use the more true to silver color because the rosy could look a little bit too glam. Look at that. Oh my gosh. There we go. Look at that. Yeah. Okay, this looks a little bit more glam than I wanted to, but hey, if you're a spring gal and you want to look glammy glam in like 4 steps, then do it! I am filming this video like 2 hours before I have to leave for soccer practice, so I'm just gonna take this all off in like 20 minutes after I'm done. That is commitment. I'm gonna pat on a little bit more. Some shimmery sponge applicators are so slept on for applying shimmer eyeshadows. Like, I tried it one time because I got this in an Amazon brush kit. I was like, let's see what it's all about. And I was shook. I'm gonna brush away this fallout and apply some mascara. The Essence, no, wrong one. The Essence False Lashes mascara, and I will be right back. Now onto the face. I love to use creams. It makes your skin dewy, and usually when you use powder, it can look matte and tight. And I'm gonna use the e.l.f. cream blush in Peach Perfection, and I'm just gonna put it on with my fingers. This was like $4 too, by the way. Also, they had another color that was rosy, I think. It was like rosy something. Put a little on the nose. And then I'm going to go in with some liquid highlighter. You already know, Becca Opal. If there's too much, then I run it down my nose. I love this combination. It makes your skin look so healthy! When you look at me, you're like, dang, that girl's cheeks, they look healthy. Oh, I should really zoom out. Oh, man. I'm sorry. In my e.l.f. palette, this was a blush palette, but I found out that you can pop these out in the back. So I put some bronzers in my blush palette. I'm going to use this bronzer today with this brush. It was $1, so. We are looking bronzed and blushy. Yeah. I'm not going to add any powder blush because I feel like this is enough, but I am going to add some highlighter. I'm going to go in with my Sleek palette, and yes, this can be very intense. Going very lightly. I'm going to use my e.l.f. I'm using a lot of e.l.f. today. I don't know what the name of this brush is, but it's a little smudge brush, I think. And I'm just going to go into that highlighter palette one time. Just dab some on the nose. That is a nose, honey. I'm going to take this brush and just dab once. Put it on above my brow. Why not add an inner corner highlight? Duh. Before I do lipstick or lip gloss, I don't know, I'm going to give myself a spritz of my Mario Badescu spray. Almost out. But yeah, I'm going to spray that and then fan myself off with my fan. James Charles inspired me to use a fan. If there is some spots that you don't want to be too oily, I just have a powder puff with no powder on it, and I'm just gonna pat right here, calm it down a little bit, right here. Okay, time for lipstick. Okay, so if this was a real everyday look for me, like a real everyday spring look for me, I would probably just leave on this lip balm that I have on right now. It's the Smith's Rose Salve. So good. But since it's a video, it'd be kind of boring if I didn't put on lip color. So I'm gonna, rude, pat it off my lip balm a little bit. And then I'm gonna go in with this, rude again, this NYX Suede lip liner in Life's a Beach. It's a nice, like, almost neon pink. I'm just gonna smudge it on. Okay, so this is looking a little neon. So I'm gonna use this e.l.f. Hyper Shine Lip Gloss in Flirt. And it's one of those twisty things. Super cute, yeah. I think I'm gonna blend the edges with my finger a little bit. Make it a little more diffused and fresh and like, The blurred lip look has been a big trend, at least I've seen. So yeah, I like the fuzzy edges of lipstick. I think it looks pretty cool. I picked a pink lip instead of a nude because, you know, you think of spring, you think of pink flowers, tulips, pink trees. I actually have a tree outside. I think I'm gonna do a look inspired by it sometime. It's really pretty flowers. But yeah, this is the finished look, everybody. I hope you learned something or you liked something in this video. It's a nice everyday look for me. I will probably do this look almost every day in the spring, the summer, just something quick. Definitely creams because it's just so nice to wear light creams in the summertime. Even though it might melt off, it's better than wearing heavy foundation and powders. They'll make your skin look disgusting. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you on the next video. Bye!